So my next project is come and put my post in. They're a little longer than what I need actually. I'm gonna probably make these gates about the same height as the ones I made on the side. But these are a little longer. I think these are 8-foot posts I got. So my goal is to put it at least 2 foot in the ground. That'll give me 7, 8, 7. Let me see. That'll give me 6 back here, and that's pretty much cool. If I can get it in. If not, I'll probably cut some off. But I want at least 2 foot in the ground. I got my concrete. I'm hoping that this ground right here ain't real hard, where I can be able to use a post digger, and I don't have an auger. So hopefully this post digger can get down, and then I can knock them the rest of the way in. That's my plan. But this is a goal, so I can be able to come back here, kill several birds with one stone. When I'm working on stuff, dropping off equipment, I can lock it up back here in the gate. I actually got a good little yard, so I want to, fix it up where I can bring stuff, park it over here and use it, you know what I mean, kill several birds with one stone. So that's the goal. And then I want the post to be over here some, so and I have no chance of hitting the sewer pipe, the pipe to my plumbing. So make sure that is good. But this is a nice yard. I actually got this in pretty good. And like I say, my goal is to kill several birds with one stone, pull my equipment, be able to do a little work, and I'm gonna build me a work shed back here in this corner, because I like the way it's already ducked off. So I'm gonna make it extend no further than this building, than the rear of the house, and come over. That way I can put stuff in, my lawnmower, my little stuff that I can lock up. So that's my goal of doing that, and I'm gonna start from the end of the gate, and I'm gonna use that siding to make it look cool and block it off with siding. So we're gonna build that. That's just another idea. That'll be later though. We're gonna focus on probably this next week, this coming up week. Actually got to get ready. Got a long weekend, like going on. Hopefully I'll be able to go walk with my daughter through homecoming court tonight. So I look forward to seeing her, being with her, representing her, and then coming back working on Mama's house next week. I got a lot of stuff planned, so that's what we're gonna be doing. I'll be keeping y'all posted on the progress, and we're gonna keep getting our hog on, fella. Black Phoenix.